Now, I am introducing overview of value engineering. Value engineering, which is called VE, is a business management method developed in the United States. Nowadays, VE is widely used in industries in Japan and the United States. VE activities are aiming at developing new products and services. VE also can be used for improving business operations as VE targets. You may perform VE as an individual, but VE activities are recommended to be performed as a team to generate higher performance. VE establishes detailed procedures for problem solving for VE targets. As mentioned before, VE targets may be products, services, business operation, or others. These procedures, which are concrete actions for applying VE to a VE target, is an action guideline for problem solving. The procedure consists of three main phases: function definition, function assessment, and solution proposal. Each step is composed by more detailed subphases. The phases of function definition is composed by three subphases: collecting information, defining functions, and organizing functions. At the subphase of collecting information, the information about the VE target is collected. The information includes technical and cost information. This is aiming to ensure that team members have a common understanding of the VE target. At the subphase of defining functions, the functions of each VE target components is defined concisely by using two words, verb and noun. This is to ensure that the functions can be clearly defined, mutually exclusive, and collectively exhaustive. At the subphase of organizing functions, the defined functions here are organized with respect to the relationship of means and objective to develop a functional system diagram. The subphase of organizing functions visualizes for what objective the VE target exists. The phase of function assessment is composed by three subphases: analyzing function cost, assessing functions, selecting target area. In the subphase of analyzing function cost, the cost of the current product and service is analytically determined on the basis of function areas identified at the subphase of organizing functions. At the subphase of assessing functions, each function area is assessed to specify the proper cost, which is the minimum cost possibly spent to achieve the function, to determine cost targets. At the subphase of selecting target area, we compare the current cost and the cost targets for each function area. The result of the comparison is used to select the functions where current cost significantly exceeds the target cost. Here, we identify the function areas with lower value to be focused for further improvement. The phase of solution proposal is composed by idea generation, general assessment, conceptualization, detail assessment. Through these phases, we develop a new solution proposal for the VE target. At the subphase of idea generation, solution ideas are generated for the function areas of lower value. At the subphase of general assessment, we open-mindedly assess the generated ideas based on both economic and technical feasibility. Then, ideas that have potentials for value enhancement are selected. At the subphase of conceptualization, we analyze the advantages and disadvantages of the selected ideas, and then refine the ideas to be feasible alternative solutions overcoming disadvantages of the ideas. At the subphase of detailed assessment, further detailed assessment of the refined alternative solutions is performed. This assessment should be based on both economic and technical feasibility. This subphase is aiming to prove that the ideas have value-enhancing potential as an alternative solution.